As humans walk on 2 feet every day, backaches have long been a problem for people. With the development of automobiles and computers, humans can enjoy a modern and convenient life, but risk having a healthy backbone. With industrial developments and neglecting to take care of our back, our spine is suffering a great deal. Let's search for detailed information on back discs and find some prevention methods on Health for All. With improper body postures that many are used to, our spinal cord receives a tremendous amount of stress. They say 80 to 90% of people suffer from backaches.
언제부터 아프셨는데요?
조금씩 아팠었는데 한 달 전부터 더 심했습니다.
뭐 그때 뭐 많이 무리하시거나 무거운 거 들거나 발 뒤꿈치를 양쪽을 들어보세요.
Mr. Kim says he has been going through severe backaches since last month, where he feels like his backbone is about to break.
예, 반대 방향으로 자, 잘 안 되시죠?
He thought heating pads would subside the pain, but it didn't. He has been diagnosed with back disc disorder.
이 정도면은
Unlike the normal spinal cord, Mr. Kim's disc slipped out. When the disc that belongs in between the lumbar slips, it presses down on the nerves that are connected to the legs, which cause severe pain in the back. Why would a normal office worker like Mr. Kim suffer from back disc problems? Many people may think that if you put too much pressure on your back by lifting heavy materials or doing rigorous physical work can cause back disc disorder. However, more than half of the patients who visit the hospital due to backaches are office workers. This is because the back muscles are weaker and more prone to injury when a slight impact is caused to the back.
자주 움직여 주셔야 되는데 중간중간 움직이셔야 되는데 너무 오랜 장시간 동안 앉아 계시면 척추의 특정 부분에만 일정한 압력이 계속 가기 때문에 그쪽 부분에 빠른 노화가 생깁니다.
When standing up, they say our spine has to withstand our entire body weight. And when sitting down like this, the weight doubles, whereas if you're bending forward, it'll add another 60% of the doubled weight. But this means that if you're 70 kilograms, it'll put 185 kilograms of weight on your back. But today, let's find out some ways we can strengthen our back muscles.
What are some of the bad postures that we are used to? When sitting down for a long time, our back tends to bend forward. We often put our body weight on the back of a chair and lean as if we are lying down and cross our legs. Talking on the phone while typing on the computer is also bad for the spine. Then what is the best posture to have while sitting down?
앉으실 때 의자의 뒷부분 끝까지 엉덩이를 밀어 넣으시고 그 다음에 허리를 똑바로 세워서 등받이에 허리를 딱 대고서 약 90도 각도로 반듯하게 앉는 자세가 굉장히 중요합니다. 그러한 자세로 앉았을 때는 허리를 구부리고 앉았을 때에 비해서 디스크 내 압력이 대략 한 20 내지 30% 정도 압력이 떨어집니다.
Straightening your backbone is important, and having both feet on the ground or placing a book to support the feet are good postures. It is healthier to have the knees slightly above the hip bones. When picking something up from the floor, we bend our back. This is a posture that puts a lot of pressure on the backbone. The best way is to go as close to the object as possible and bend your knees while picking it up. Having a good posture is the first step to maintaining a healthy backbone. Many patients who suffer from back disc pain fear going through a surgery. However, only 10% of the disc disorder patients have a surgery, as there are many other high-tech methods to cure slipped discs. The heating therapy relaxes the arteries and enhances the body's overall blood circulation. It also makes the muscles become more flexible. Ultrasound wave therapy uses sound waves to treat the pain by massaging the cell structure one at a time. The vibration causes the cells to be restructured, and the heat that rises from this treatment also has a positive effect in soothing the pain. As 4 electrodes cross the painful part of the body, the interference of the 4 different waves treats the pain by easing the tensed-up muscles. It has a massaging and pain-subsiding effect as well. One of the non-surgical procedures that can be done to cure disc disorder is a high-tech method that has been receiving much attention. It is the non-gravity disc decompressing therapy. This treatment is able to cure 85% of the disc problem without having a medical surgery. Usually surgeries show 10% of relapse rate, but this therapy only shows 4%, which is considered to be really low.
이 부분 무중력 디스크 감압 치료기는요, 우리가 그 나사에서 우주인들이 우주에 나가 있을 때 얼마 동안 생활을 하고 지구에 돌아오고 난 후에 요통이 있던 분들이 없어지는 것을 발견을 했습니다. 그래서 왜 그러냐 조사를 해보니까 우리가 사람이 직립보행을 하면서 디스크에 압력이 가해지잖아요. 그렇게 여러 가지 이제 디스크 질환이 발생하는데 그 원리를 이제 지구상에서 그러면은 디스크에 가해지는 중력을 없애주는 방법으로 우리가 말하자면 견인 치료를 해주는 거죠.
This equipment uses pressure up to minus 200 millimeters Hg and brings back the slipped disc to its original place. It uses a natural healing method which is highly effective, and it has been recognized for its superiority as it reduces pain by allowing body fluid, blood, and nutrients to flow smoothly.
당겼다 놓았다가 아주 미세하게 컴퓨터에 의해서 컨트롤되면서 당겼다 놓았다 하는 것이 반복되는 소위 말해서 로가리즘이라는 그런 어떤 이 프로그램이 되어 있다는 것입니다. 그 다음 또 한 가지는 이 디스크가 보통 이제 우리가 요추 4, 5번, 요추 5번, 천추 1번 이런 곳에 많이 발생하는데 발생한 그 부위에 우리가 선택적으로 또 그 디스크에 우리가 많은 이 음압을 걸어줄 수가 있다는 것입니다.
This treatment method has attained the FDA approval and is currently being applied to patients all over the world. Recently, this hospital has been conducting a test to see how effective this treatment is to patients who suffer from disc disorder. Among the 100 patients, the test result shows that more than 89% are satisfied with their treatment.
거의 앉아서 일을 할 때 자세를 한 자세로 고정할 수 없는 정도로 너무 많이 아파서 여러 자세를 옮겨가면서 이렇게 일을 하고 그랬습니다. 근데 최근에 이 치료를 받고 나서 한 달 정도 됐는데요. 운동을 같이 하면서 이 치료를 받았는데 너무 많이 호전이 돼가지고 앉아서 일하는 데 있어서 전혀 어떤 문제도 없고요.
Instead of going through spine surgeries, we have just looked at high-tech methods that can treat back pains. Well, in Korean Genuine Medicine, they say there are ways to treat back pain since 1500 years ago. I'd like to now introduce to you how it was all done.
This patient has been suffering from backaches for the past 3 months, but she says her symptoms have subsided greatly.
처음에 봤던 비틀림이나 꼬임 같은 현상들은 다 없어졌고 약간 이제 상하로 좌우 어깨 약간 틀린 정도 그 정도 남아 있고 측면에서 봤을 때 이제 그 목 뒤에가 약간 튀어나온 거 그거만 해결하면 이제 완벽해지는 거예요.
We can see positive results from her medical checkup as well. Of course, there is a reason behind such improvement. She has been receiving tuna therapy for the past 3 months. This traditional treatment puts pressure on her crooked bones, joints, and muscles and readjusts them to bring it back to its original state. The tuna therapy started gaining much attention since the development of chiropractics in the West.
카로프랙틱 자체는 역사가 한 100년 정도의 짧은 역사를 가지고 있는데 튜나 치료는 뭐 한약의 역사와 함께 시작되었기 때문에 수천 년의 역사를 가지고 있는 거고요. 결국 튜나 치료는 이제 카로프랙틱은 예를 들어서 관절 자체에만 관심을 가지고 있다면 튜나 치료는 전신을 두고 전신을 바라보면서 치료를 하기 때문에 전체적인 순환, 전체적인 관절들의 균형, 전체적인 근육의 밸런스 이런 것들을 보기 때문에 훨씬 더 넓은 개념의 치료 방법이라고 볼 수 있습니다.
The tuna therapy originated from the Sugi therapy that massages the body, which appears in the ancient text from the 1600s. Then how effective is the tuna therapy? According to the data provided by Daejeon University's Korean Genuine Medicine Research Institute, the number of patients who felt pain when lifting the leg at a 70-degree angle decreased 30% after the tuna therapy. There is definitely a significant difference between the approaches that Western and Korean genuine medicine takes. However, when the two treatments and therapies complement each other, it can give birth to another whole new medical breakthrough. The specialist that we are about to meet today is Dr. Park Dong-suk from Kyunghee University Medical Hospital, who researches to integrate Western and Korean genuine medicine.
한방 치료의 그 근본이 되는 개념이 있는데 그 통적 불통하고 불통적 통한다는 말이 있거든요. 이 말은 즉 기가 잘 통하고 있을 때는 통증이 나타나지 않고 불통한다 그랬고 기가 막혀서 잘 통하지 않을 때는 통증이 유발된다고 했습니다. 그래서 우리가 이제 친구 치료나 뭐 한약물 치료, 한방 치료에서는 이 개념을 굉장히 중요시하는데 그 기를 잘 통하게 해주면 병이 없어지죠. 예방이 되고.
Park Dong-suk is one of the representative doctors who uses the acupuncture treatment that is known to be the most effective in treating disc disorders. He has been working to promote the venom therapy that uses the poisonous substance from bees and electrical acupuncture, not only in Korea, but to commercialize it all over the world. In addition, he has worked to integrate acupuncture with computer technology to create electronic acupuncture therapy, which gained a patent for its excellent pain-reducing effects. Furthermore, he has proven the effects of Korean genuine medicine through Western research methods, showing forth great achievements in integrating the Western and Korean genuine medicine. Dr. Park Dong-suk is currently doing his work in Kyunghee Medical Hospital. He has been carrying out various research and working to develop the research field, as he has been chosen as the head of the Korean Genuine Medicine research conducted by the Ministry of Health and Welfare.
우리나라뿐만 아니고 전 세계적으로 그 노령 인구가 굉장히 많이 증가하고 있습니다. 그래서 이로 인해서 그 노인성 질환인 그 퇴행성 관절염이나 또 류마티스 관절염 등 관절 질환 환자들이 굉장히 빠른 속도로 증가하고 있습니다. 그래서 이에 대한 그 한방 치료제를 개발하는 목표로 수백 가지 그 골관절 질환에 활용되는 한약들을 쫙 이제 검색을 했고 제일 효과 좋은 걸 이제 찾아낼 겁니다.
Mr. Che had been diagnosed with back disc disorder 20 years ago. In order to build a healthy spine, he has been readjusting many things starting from his body postures. When sitting down, he puts a cushion on his back and makes sure both feet are touching the ground. Taking frequent baths is another daily habit he has become accustomed to. He has learned that soaking the body in water with the temperature that is about the same as the body temperature is good for relaxing the back muscles. Not only his daily habits, but things around the house went through a drastic change as well. Sleeping on a soft bed is not good for the disc dislocated patients, so he started sleeping on the ondol floor.
아침에 일어날 때 상당히 일어나기가 참 어려웠습니다. 그런데 온돌 판넬을 이렇게 사용하고 나니까 아침에 일어날 때 상당히 부드럽게 일어날 수 있는 그런 느낌을 많이 받았고요. 그 다음에 평소에 이렇게 의자에 오래 앉아 있지를 못했는데 온돌 생활을 하고 난 다음부터는 이제 의자에서 오래 앉아 있어도 좀 견딜만 하고.
The Korean traditional heating system, the ondol. Ondol is not only a good heating method to warm the house, but also good for the health, as the heating effect of the ondol works positively towards the human body's cycle. Then what kind of effect does the ondol system have on the body? As the heating effect of the ondol reaches the skin, it gradually raises the temperature of the body. As the temperature rises, it expands the arteries and enhances blood circulation. It also increases the number of erythrocyte and the amount of blood supplied to the body. This enables thorough delivery of oxygen and nutrients to each part of the body. Another habit Mr. Che developed is his new driving posture. He pulls his seat all the way forward so he is close to the steering wheel and his knees are above his hip level. When he has to drive for more than 2 hours, he makes sure to stop the car for a short stretching exercise, which gives the back a break as well. It's not only the sitting posture that needs to be changed, so Mr. Che started to jog regularly. Fat around the stomach can lead to many adult diseases, but it also puts more pressure on the backbone, which can dislocate the disc. This is why Mr. Che pays particular attention to his abdominal area. What experts recommend the most in order to build a strong backbone is exercise. Let's try to prevent disc disorders by learning some exercises.
저희 척추를 강화할 수 있는 운동이 있다고 해서 찾아왔는데요. 어떤 운동법들이 있죠?
예, 허리 운동에는 척추의 제일 중요한 근육인 요부 근육과 복부 근육, 엉치 근육과 하체 근육의 근력 운동과 유연성 운동을 포함한 척추 전체에 안정화시킬 수 있는 운동 방법이 있습니다. 한쪽 발을 구부리셔서 양손으로 무릎 위를 잡고 가슴쪽으로 쭉 당기십시오. 당기시면서 10초를 유지하시고요. 10초 유지하시는 동안 이 무릎은 땅바닥을 닿도록 유지합니다.
This exercise expands the back muscles and the muscles on the front part of the thighs. Lie down straight and bend both of your knees. Lift your hips to make a straight line from your shoulder to your knees. Maintain this posture for 10 seconds. This exercise effectively strengthens the back muscles.
자, 엎드린 상태에서 양팔을 위로 올리시고요. 양발도 위로 올리십니다. 상태에서 멈추고 10초 동안 유지하시고요.
Through this exercise, you can strengthen the muscles around your waist and hips.
볼 위에 앉아있는 상태에서 엉치를 앞으로 뒤로 움직이면서 허리의 유연성을 운동시킬 수 있습니다. 천천히.
As this posture stabilizes the muscles, it increases physical strength and endurance while minimizing the risk of joint deterioration.
아까 바닥에서 했던 동작들은 좀 힘들었었는데요. 볼 위에서 하는 게 더 편한 것 같아요.
예, 아까 처음에 했던 동작들은 잘 안 쓰는 근육을 운동을 시키다 보니까 좀 뻣뻣함을 느끼셨고요. 이런 마무리 운동으로 그 볼 운동하면서 허리의 유연성을 증가시키니까 좀 시원함을 좀 느끼셨을 겁니다.
Can these exercises really be helpful in preventing back disc disorder? This spinal cord specializing clinic gathered 70 patients who suffer from chronic backaches and conducted this exercise program. After 2 months of regular exercise, there was a 30% increase in the development of back muscles. The pain level also dropped up to 40% after performing these exercise movements. Then, what are some exercises that can easily be done at home?
보통 일상생활에서 많이 하실 수 있는 운동이 걷는 운동과 그다음에 수영, 그리고 요즘 많이들 하고 있는 요가가 가장 권해드릴 만한 운동이고요. 여기서 주의하실 점은 걷는 운동 같은 경우는 팔을 많이 흔들어 주시는 게 좋고요. 그다음에 좀 빠른 걸음으로 시간은 한 3-40분 이상은 하시는 게 좋습니다. 그리고 수영 같은 경우는 저병 같은 경우는 허리에 무리가 될 수 있는 동작이 있기 때문에 되도록 피해 주시는 게 좋고요. 자유형과 배영 위주로, 특히 배영 위주로 하시는 게 가장 효과적일 수 있고요.
It is now time for us to take a look at some health tips that can easily be applied to our daily lives.
High heels that many women wear threatens the backbone as well. If the heel is high, the weight of the body gears towards the front, but the backbone tries to balance that weight. The adequate height of the heel is recommended to be 4 centimeters high in order to reduce the pressure on the back. When lying down, it is good to place a cushion or a pillow on the back. If you lie down sideways, place one in between the legs. Scallions are known to be good for reducing backaches. Scallions bring forth warmth to the body and are rich in vitamins. It brings heat to the back muscles and helps with blood circulation while getting rid of waste in the blood. Knowing the proper information on the illness is the way to cure it. Let's solve our curiosity about back disc disorder.
제가 허리가 안 좋은데 집에서 할 수 있는 자가진단법 있나요?
앉은 상태에서는 허리를 90도로 핀 상태에서 앉은 상태에서 다리를 무릎을 쫙 펴보시면은 무릎이 필 수가 있으면은 그건 디스크가 아니고요. 무릎을 피지 못하고 허리를 뒤로 제껴야만이 무릎을 필 수 있는 경우에는 이제 허리 디스크인 경우가 많습니다.
제가 허리가 아픈데 허리가 아프면 다 허리 디스크인가요?
아무래도 쉽게 허리가 삐끗한다든지 자꾸 길린다든지 또 통증이 자주 찾아오는 경우는 아무래도 그분이 허리 근육 자체가 약한다든지 아니면 그 현재 취하고 있는 자세나 살아가는 생활 습관이 나쁘다는 뜻입니다. 아무래도 쉽게 허리 아픈 분들은 왜 그 원인을 찾아서 그 원인을 없애줘야만 될 겁니다.
Our spinal cord is what sustains our entire body. This is why if the backbone doesn't function properly, our entire body collapses. In order to take good care of our health, the first thing we should do is pay particular attention to straightening our backbone.